Generally, mechanical keyboards are quite versatile, depending on what your preferences are. There are many different types of mechanical switches, with the three main types being tactile, clicky, and linear. All offer a different feel, and even those of the same type made by different companies offer a unique typing experience. It all comes down to personal preference, and thankfully, many options are available in a wide variety of switches to better suit your needs. Welcome to our channel. If you enjoy our video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more content to come. Let's dive into today's list. Number 5. SteelSeries Apex Pro. The SteelSeries Apex Pro is the best full-size mechanical keyboard for gaming that we've tested. The variant we tested is full-size with a numpad, but since it's also available in a 10-key less variant, you can get it as the best mechanical TKL keyboard instead. It has a bunch of gaming-oriented features that should please most people. It has a unique setting that allows you to adjust the pre-travel distance for each key. You can set it to its lowest for a quick and responsive gaming experience, or its highest for better typing accuracy. It has low latency, so you shouldn't notice any delay, but you can only use the keyboard when wired. The user-friendly SteelSeries engine software allows you to reprogram every key and customize the RGB backlighting. Number 4. Ducky 1.2. The Ducky 1.2 is the best mechanical keyboard for typing that we've tested. It's a versatile keyboard that's available in different sizes, color schemes and switch types. While the full-size model we tested doesn't have RGB backlighting, there are variants with it, so you can choose what you prefer. The brown ones on the unit are light to press and the typing quality feels outstanding because the switches provide good tactile feedback and the double-shot PBT keycaps feel great. Number 3. Razer Black Widow V3 Pro. The best mechanical Bluetooth keyboard is the Razer Black Widow V3 Pro. It's a fantastic gaming keyboard that's versatile enough for other users. It's a full-size model available either with linear Razer yellow or clicky Razer green switches. It's well built with an aluminum top plate and it comes with a plushy wrist rest. You can connect with the keyboard wirelessly through its proprietary receiver or with up to 3 devices over Bluetooth at once, and switching between the connected devices is easy. What sets this keyboard apart is the incredibly low latency through the receiver, one of the best we've tested on a wireless keyboard. The Razer green switches are light to press and provide good tactile feedback, but they are loud. Number 2. Slab Any Pro 2. If you need something smaller to carry around with you, look into the Slab Any Pro 2. Unfortunately, it doesn't have a USB receiver like the Razer Black Widow V3 Pro, so you have to use it over Bluetooth, which has a bit of latency and isn't ideal for competitive gamers. However, it still has low latency over a wired connection if you need it for gaming, and the compact design is great to bring with you on the go. It's available in a wide range of switches, and the Gateron browns on our unit offer excellent typing quality. It also has full RGB backlighting that you can customize through the dedicated software, and it has multi-device pairing with up to 4 devices at once. Number 1. Logitech G430. The best mechanical keyboard that you can get when on a budget is the Logitech G430. Although it's a no-frills keyboard with basic features, it still offers good performance for most users. Our unit has carbon finish with red black lighting, and there's another silver variant with white black lighting, but each model is only available with the Roma G tactile switches. It's fantastic for gaming because it has minimal latency for a responsive gaming experience, and the switches are light with a shorter pre-travel distance than comparable switches. They provide good tactile feedback and good typing quality if you also need to use it for office use, and if that's the case, the switches are quiet. It's a full-size keyboard, so it has a numpad and media keys, making it easier to skip through your music while working and gaming. That covers our list of the best 5 mechanical keyboards in 2021. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to help us out. I'll see you all in the next video.